Changing your phone number on TaskRabbit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the TaskRabbit app. Launch the TaskRabbit app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Look for the option labeled Account Settings. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Account Settings menu, find the section for personal information or contact details. Here, you should see your current phone number listed. Step 4. Edit Phone Number. Tap on the phone number field to edit. Enter your new phone number carefully, ensuring that it is correct to avoid any issues with verification. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and update your account. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number on TaskRabbit will be updated. Make sure to check for any verification messages sent to your new number to finalize the process.